Hello, today we are going to make pinwheel sandwiches. So all you need for this pinwheel sandwiches are a few slices of bread, some green chutney. Green chutney is made out of mint, coriander and some green chilies and a little bit of salt. Always remember, if you want to make green chutney and you want it to remain green for a longer time, add a little bit of lemon juice when you are grinding it. I have some shredded cabbage and some grated carrots. You need some butter, some tomato sauce. I'm also using some mustard. You can also have cheese spread. So let's get started. So first take 3 slices of bread and I'll cut the edges. You don't have to throw the edges. You can make breadcrumbs with it later. So after cutting the edges, I will roll them flat on a rolling pin. Make it nice and flat. Then apply a little bit of water on one edge. Keep a second slice on it and roll that too, so that it sticks to it. Both the slices stick to each other and we have a long slice. Same way, apply some water here and keep the third slice and press it firmly and roll it. Now the bread slices are flat and they are joined together. So now I'll apply some butter on each slice. I'm applying very little butter because we have many other spreads also to apply on it. I'll apply some green chutney all over. If you don't want green chutney, you can omit it. I have taken some ketchup and I'll apply only on one slice here. You can mix and match the spreads. I want to apply some mustard only on the first slice. You can also have some cheese spread. So I'll apply a little bit of cheese spread only on the third slice. Now we can't add too many vegetables in this because you need to roll it. So these are grated carrots and some shredded cabbage. You can also put some seasoning, but there's a lot of salt in the ketchup, in the green chutney, in the butter, the mustard sauce. That's why I'm not adding any more seasoning. If you want, you can roll it as it is with your fingers, or you can take a cling film or some aluminium foil, keep this on it and then you can roll it. So slowly start rolling it, but make sure you roll it firmly. It has to be firm and tight. See that it doesn't break. Roll it firmly I'll keep the aluminium foil here. Roll it tight. You can keep this on the aluminium foil, roll it tight and firm. You can keep this in the refrigerator for a while and then you can cut it so that it becomes nice and firm. I'm going to cut it now. So let's open this. Now take a serrated knife. Serrated knife is easy for cutting the bread slices. Now slowly cut discs of this sandwich. Looks like this. And it's ready to serve. Let me cut a few more slices. Be careful while cutting because the bread might break. So it would be better if you keep it in the refrigerator for a while and then you cut it. This is a very easy way of making some different kind of sandwich. You can also make it for your parties, for starters. So these are the pinwheel sandwiches ready to serve.